Manchester United say omoti Pogba boso.
Omoteso.
Mestre Kotoko S.C Nanaya. So my international relation manager no Obano Onko Manchester United. No monkaka. Or no moka no motiasia. Betwiaka near the Pogba Bagana. So I'm a bomb Kotoko.
Chama Wontumi.
Me for Pogba, but
53 million pounds almost almost.
Still says so go so oba form. Any panel. Omugu so say no a day na say last week no. Na Pogba na bo no of pesoro. Na boa. Enti oba no. Na o teba form. Enti say kwan da ho.
53 million pounds betuma.
Oh, you betuma. I didn't intimate.
Chama Wontumi.
I didn't intimate. And to my international relation officer no. What you say? O man ko Manchester because Orlando is here. Uncle Kakacha said your club will be so equally to say Manchester United.
I also be Triacano.
I be Triacan to Omra Bomba Kotoko. To a more about you know. Na Ghana football no and some fat Natuma Pefra. Now me I hope
for Pogba.
Omo paid for. Me I have a belief in Nanaya Amponsa. I have a belief in Nanaya Ponsa say he's going to change Ghana football and Kotoko as a whole. And you know, me wepa I will call him. I will call him and we start the procedure.
Send my messages na saseba. Okay. Chema Wontumi. Also got to go from bidding for Pogba 53 million pounds. Now the first banana born come in number 18 and 90 and number 53.
I'm on building number fanumra. Because who the Pogba bar, what you say, a man for the bar, a bar stadium about the shamball. What you say, and a man for the contribute. What you say, and the justice crown a beton and a year, you know. What you say, and there's the word. It's a big investment. There's no way we will lose. What I say, we are not going to lose.
Chairman's Canada also. 53 million pounds.
And then because Mekaya Yanyan Waho. Mekana Mitim, Yanyan Waho. Basian ya toy. Sa Liverpool for Liverpool for over 2 wings players say out of and yet, I don't know team.
I can't be no team.
That be no about Jiwago.
Jiwago,
Jiwago.
Monfales and I know the name you can.
Jiwago. Jiwago, Minibi. Now, almost crowd of top players and almost mobile. Tisa Movijimoa, Team no almost the you know. They are business people like me. They are not players. What I say, and one more crowd put the army they compare you there. The Omo will be out of them players now, you know. Can't be able to be. I have more. They say, and I will win. I will have even more money. People will buy jerseys and so many case from. What I say, it's a business. And you know, me say, I idea. I was say. We will win. It's a complete business. This is what I say.
Ghana, no. Chama Wontumi and I always said the Chama can also international relations officer all on your contact.